All right, what's going on, everybody, and welcome to Success Through Failure. I'm PJ.
I'm Nathan. How's it going, guys?
And today we're going to talk about incentivizing deals through eBay. So, Nate.
Perfect. So, everybody's going to eBay for a reason, and the reason why they're going to eBay or an e-commerce site or anything is to get a better deal. That's the whole reason why the internet boom is here, right? May just also be convenience, but at the same time they're thinking, hey, I want this deal, whether it's 5 cents, 10 cents, $2, $200, whatever it may be. I would tell you that that's what they're looking for, so you have to give it to them. And the way to best do it is to be creative. Like, you need, without being too confusing, you need to make the numbers be a little bit confusing in a sense. I'm sorry if that doesn't make sense, but so instead of just saying 10% off, I like to do things like, hey, buy 3, get 1 free. They don't have any idea what your margins are.
Right.
They don't have any idea like what, that type of thing. So it's easier for you to maybe make more profit off something like that. If you're selling an item that only costs you $10 and you're selling it for $40, and you're like, hey, you buy 3, you get 1 free, you can make a lot more money than, say, giving somebody 25% off, where you're losing all this money.
Yeah.
Where if you have a 300% markup, you're making a lot more by selling the item. So I would tell you that's the number one thing to do is to get creative with your incentives.
Right.
It doesn't just have to be blah, 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 5% off, 10% off, free shipping. Everybody's already doing it. Try to get creative. Try to make your thing different and get it to where it makes them feel like they're really getting a lot. You know what I mean? Like, I always like to do the free thing, at a certain number. Like, buy this many, get 1 free.
Right.
I do think if you do buy 1, get 1 free, it's too juicy.
Okay.
I feel like it devalues your product.
Okay.
To where they know, like, hey, wait. From all the infomercials, when they say, oh, if you buy this frying pan, we'll send you 8 free.
Right.
And they're like, wait, this thing must be a piece of crap. And they've all ordered that thing, and they've all gotten a piece of junk, right? So you want to be careful that it's not too much, even if you are making a killing on it. You know what I mean? You want to get it to where, you're making it, at least I would say like buy 2, get 1 free, or buy 3, get 1 free, or do something creative like that. You know what I mean? Like, buy 2, get 1 half off, those types of things where it sounds really good. And the key thing is to you, because usually what will happen is when you're going through more products, you'll be able, if you move a lot more product, you'll be able to get them cheaper from your vendor. And also when your box gets bigger, your shipping actually gets cheaper, like per weight. If you ship 1 can of soda, it's going to be $5.
Right.
But if you ship 4 cans of soda, it might be $6.
Right.
So you see, you can save more on that, and it'll give you more of your value because your shipping rate didn't really go that much more up.
Right.
You're paying just for the initial cost of them to make the label, process you, get you moving, everything else on your box. So I would tell you that's the volume. You'll save more with your distributors usually, or also at least treat you better.
Right.
They'll make sure that you're a priority, and then 2. You'll save on the shipping, because you'll be able to be like, oh, okay, yeah, I'm shipping 4 of these, but I'm only paying $2 more.
Right. So don't skimp on sales, because there's a reason people are constantly doing it. You watch any commercial, there's always some sort of deal.
Right.
And so don't skimp on it because you're trying to make an extra, 5
A fancy
cents.
word that they call for this is a call to action. You need to give them a call to action. Buy now for this.
Right.
Another thing you can do is, maybe, especially on eBay, if you're very on top of your eBay store and you're not selling a ton of different items, you're focusing on 1 item or 5 items, and you want to sell a lot of those, which I recommend, by the way. If you reduce the stock to like 5 left or 6 left, eBay will say only 3 left.
Okay, yeah.
In red, and it will give them a call to action.
Okay.
If you can constantly just go back in and update it and put 10 more,
right,
or 5 more. Right. If you can do that, that will also help you.
Right.
You don't have to, but like I said, make a call to action.
Right. And eBay likes sellers that sell a lot, and so even if you are losing a few cents on the margin, it's better to just keep moving units than to not.
Everybody wants to know how to get to the top of eBay. The best way to get to the top of eBay is have great feedback. This is the really quick answer. Have great feedback and sell a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
And they will know that you're already credible.
Yeah.
And they instantly give you a little boost.
Nice. Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, there you have it. That's the importance of incentivizing deals. And until next time, peace.